good news about Jesus as come to Luke chapter 18 from verse 35 to verse 43. The blind beggar get to see again. Now, when Jesus catch near Jericho, one blind man did sit on the roadside and beg. The man hear the crowd a pass and ask them a wagwan. Them tell him say, a Jesus we come from Nazareth a come. He bawl out loud, Jesus, David Pickney, take pity upon me now. The one them we did a lead the way, tell him to shut him out and tap his eyes, but he shout out louder, David Pickney, do take pity upon me now. Jesus stop and tell him to bring the man come. After the blind man come near, Jesus asked him say, what you want me to do for you? Him say, Lord, make me see again. Jesus tell him say, see there? You can see again. You can see cause you believe. Same time him could have see and him follow back at Jesus and praise God. After the people see what happened, them praise God too. A Gad Wod Dis. Take God